Go.
Hey guys,
Go.
welcome back to the Good Soul Life. Today we are going to be making slime. Some
what kind of slime?
Galaxy slime.
Well, bam.
I was trying to take a picture of that. So we picked this up at a store. We thought it looked like it would be kind of fun. I know there's all kinds of different slimes you can make, but this is Galaxy slime.
Here's
So-
the glue.
So,
We got purple, pink, and blue.
okay. And then we got,
Contact solution,
and then,
baking soda, spoons, measuring spoons,
And?
and bowls.
bowls. All right. Okay, so what do we got to do, Abs?
Measuring spoons.
What do we got to
So, first let's set out all the bowls.
do? Okay.
So they each have to be in a different bowl to start off with.
Okay.
I want to make
Okay.
purple.
You want to make purple? That's the pink bowl. This is the purple bowl. Because it has pink on it.
It has purple
I
too.
know. But I said pink out. Okay. So do you want to make blue?
Okay.
So first, pour all your glue into your bowl.
All of it?
Yes.
That's a lot of glue.
Unicorn poop.
It's all the rage. Mommy, you were supposed to squeeze it.
It's like boogers.
It's glittery.
Preschool boogers can be glittery sometimes.
I think I got most of mine out. I see some, but not coming out. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's winning? Who's got all of theirs?
I'm really good enough.
Abby gave up. She's done.
Okay. Next, you need your spoons.
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 And contact solution?
Measuring spoons. That's tablespoon, right?
TBS?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Half table. No, it's TB.
Yeah. That's tablespoon.
Oh, this is what that's.
Yeah. Mhm.
So next, you need to add a half tablespoon of baking soda. I can't.
Half tablespoon.
TBSP. You're doing
You're not doing too well there, Abby.
I can't get any.
Well, then tilt the
Hold
box.
And then put it in
I
my
got glue on my face.
what?
You're a little low on.
Boop. Boop.
I'll go with.
I was recording the box.
That's not that exciting.
Well, do you see his face? Is his face that much more exciting?
See? It's very dramatic. Makes for good TV. Or YouTube.
Maybe YouTube TV.
And
This is very dramatic. We're gonna do this whole video in slow motion.
No.
okay. Then you mix thoroughly. You have to add it to everyone's.
Well, Mommy took it.
I'm going to pour some in here, and then it'll be easier for to measure. No, you're not even filming her.
No way. Okay, so mix it thoroughly.
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 Looks like powdered sugar.
What's 1/4 of a tablespoon? You don't have 1/4 tablespoon.
For what?
Contact solution.
The Then just get a tablespoon. We don't. Just do a tablespoon and put a little honey in there.
We'll take this.
Quarter of it.
What's the smallest we have?
Half tablespoon. Okay, next we have to add a 4th tablespoon of contact lens solution. So
There's probably a
Yeah.
safety cap on there.
No.
No?
you have to fill it half full, so this is kind of... half?
No, a little more. More.
You can always add...
Okay.
Okay, and then add it in. And then stir. Stir kind. I don't know if you have to stir slow. Because you can keep adding more contact solution if you need to. See how mine's already turned into slime?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Okay, no one needs it. Okay, you know it's done.
Is it in there? Did you put
No.
mine in there yet?
No one eats them still. You know it's done when it gets mixed until mixture gets harder and begins to form slime. That's when it stops sticking to the sides of the bowl. I need it out. Is it sticking to the sides of your bowl still, Molly?
Mm-hmm. It's quite sticky.
Yep. Don't touch it. I'll get all over your hands.
Does that mean I need to put more in it?
Yeah, just don't put a lot.
That didn't hurt. Oh, that was me. It got me.
Look, Abby, unicorn poop.
Why do you guys call everything unicorn?
Anything sparkly and slimy is unicorn poop.
Oh.
Or unicorn boogers. No, you need some more?
I think so.
It reminds me of the Gremlins. When
I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah.
change or whatever.
No, I added some to it.
You got me.
No, I got some in there. It's hard to stir. Oh no. Oh no.
No, it's gonna stick. It's gonna
No,
stick.
put it back in the bowl. I told you not to touch it.
I'm not touching it.
It's you!
It's falling. It's falling.
Maybe you can play with it and get it to be slime, Daddy. Daddy.
Now it's gonna stain the table.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
want to touch it. I don't want
Come on, come on.
to. Sorry. Maybe use the contact solution and rub it on your fingers.
Well, I only have one hand right now. I'm filming.
Abby, I think mine is getting there.
Do you want me to play with it and try and get it to?
No,
You
I think I got
gotta
it.
begin kneading it.
Hey,
Daddy, stop!
You.
You gotta begin kneading it, Mommy. It always, you can ask someone to put more contact solution.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble.
Sticking to this
Mom,
side.
have some contact solution.
I think you're gonna have to just wash your hands. Oh yeah, I got it. Totally.
Mine's not even coming together yet. Mom, man. Yours isn't supposed to come together first.
I am the slime queen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check that out. Brilliant. Beautiful. And then when you start eating it, Abby, squirt some on your hands.
Eating it?